Welcome back to the Restless Recluse. This little road trip has brought us to Cranbrook, British Columbia, where, once again, I am looking at a motorcycle to purchase. So, stick with us and we will see what we see today. And if it works out, then we'll be making the drive back home starting this afternoon. Well, here we are at R&R Rebel Cycle, and I'm just waiting for the seller to get here with the bike, and then if I'm happy with it, we'll do the pre-purchase inspection, get the transfer papers, hand over some money, and be on my merry way. I'm fighting some kind of throat bug that has me feeling like I'm swallowing thumbtacks every time I use my throat, but that'll just keep me on my toes while I'm making the trip back. It was a 10.5-hour drive yesterday from Vancouver to Cranbrook, and I'm hoping to do 6 hours of it on the return today after this motorcycle thing gets settled, and then finish up the rest tomorrow morning. But we'll see. I'm certainly not sleeping well with this throat thing, and adrenaline will only take me so far, but resilience is my middle name. Well, that said, I've joined the pantheon of Harley-Davidson owners. Now I just need to make it all the way home without incident. Two mountain passes done, and I'm headed towards the big one at Paulson Summit. So far so good, touch wood. And I'm just leaving Castlegar and still hoping to make Princeton for the night. It hurts too much to eat anything, so I've just been on a liquid diet all day, but not really getting a whole lot of calories. But thank goodness for adrenaline to keep me going. Almost home. Yesterday I made it from Cranbrook to Princeton. It was about 8 hours, just because I'm going a little slower with the bike in the back. And then I left Princeton at 4:30 this morning and got to the Horseshoe Bay Ferry Terminal about 3 hours and 45 minutes later. Again, slow going, but here we are. The bike is a 2013 V-Rod Night Rod Special, which has gotten a good washing today in the heavy rain, but that big fat tire, sexy. Next up is getting 2 more ferries and then getting it off the back of the truck, which will be entertaining, I'm sure.